If you're thinking about getting the Avengers kind of Iron Man helmet stand, then this is my review, my honest opinion about this. So I've been using this. I've had this for several months now, and it really just sits on my desk. I mean, it's not really designed to do anything else. It just is a kind of like an ornament for the desk. And so there's a few things I like about this. The first one is that it has that real kind of high quality hand painted feel to it. So it feels like someone has really like taken the time to make this, as opposed to just kind of mass produced plastic stuff. It's also metal, like it's got a really nice weight to it. Feels high quality, and it's also very simple. The paint and the kind of like the markings here have not faded at all. They haven't scratched, they haven't worn. It's just really kind of does what you would expect. It's just an ornament. It looks really good. It looks great on any desk. The head itself actually can spin round on its little stand like this. So that's just something to kind of watch out for, be aware of. If you move things around on your desk too much, or if you have a standing desk, for example, and it's an electric one like mine, when you lift up the desk, sometimes the vibrations can make the head kind of spin around a little bit. So it depends if you have an electric standing desk or not, whether that bothers you. A small a very easy workaround is just to put a little bit of blue tack underneath to kind of fix it in one place. But I haven't really cared enough to do that yet, and it's not that much of a problem. So yeah, I totally recommend this. If you're looking for just a really cool Iron Man Avengers ornament and you want it to be high quality and just really look good in your office, then I highly recommend this.